Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the latest business and financial headlines. Sunrun CEO reassures that Trump's presidency is unlikely to impact rooftop solar or tax credits. Pfizer announces a $1 billion investment in China over the next 5 years. Medical Properties Trust plans to sell Prospect's managed care business to Astrana Health. Realty Income declares a dividend of $0.2635 per share. We also explore Bitcoin's potential rise, with crypto-friendly Trump as the new U.S. president, Costco reaching an all-time high with prospects for continued rallying. Enphase Energy's decision to cut 17% of its workforce, incurring up to $20 million in charges, and Ardelyx shares tumbling after a lawsuit against CMS is dismissed over Sfoza. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more insights on these stories. Sunrun shares fell by 15.6% after reporting an unexpected loss in the third quarter and a 4.5% drop in revenue to $537 million. Despite exceeding 1 million residential solar customers, the stock declined amid wider market drops in the solar sector following Donald Trump's election win. CEO Mary Powell remains hopeful about bipartisan backing for rooftop solar projects.
Pfizer plans to invest $1 billion in China from 2025 to 2030. The goal is to enhance drug research and development. The Pfizer China 2030 strategy aims to launch new drugs, improve diagnostics and treatment standards, and advance biotechnology. A new research center will be established in Beijing.
Medical Properties Trust has announced a deal to sell most of Prospect's managed care platform to Astrana Health for $745 million. Astrana will use cash and a bridge loan to fund the purchase. The transaction is pending regulatory approval and is expected to close by mid-2025.
Realty Income Corporation has declared a monthly dividend of 26.35 cents per share, keeping a forward yield of 5.5%. This dividend will be paid on December 13th to shareholders on record by December 2nd. Recent earnings slightly exceeded expectations, with revenue reaching $1.33 billion, surpassing forecasts by $70 million.
Bitcoin increased by 11% this week, exceeding $74,000 following Donald Trump's victory in the U.S. presidential election. His supportive stance on cryptocurrencies contrasts with the current administration's restrictive approach. The Federal Reserve's rate cut has also heightened institutional interest in digital currencies. Bitcoin mining companies noted higher production levels in October, and Ethereum reached $3,000.
Costco's stock jumped 3.8% to a record $962, outperforming Walmart and Target amid U.S. election impacts. October sales increased by 7.2%, with membership card scanners enhancing potential earnings similar to Netflix's password crackdown effect. Investors expect a possible stock split as shares approach $1,000.
Enphase Energy is reducing its global workforce by 17%, affecting about 500 employees and contractors, with restructuring costs between $17 and $20 million. The company will concentrate manufacturing in the U.S., India, and China, ending operations in Mexico. This decision is intended to cut expenses due to slower revenue growth from economic factors.
Ardelyx shares fell 23% after a court dismissed their lawsuit against the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. The company had challenged CMS's plan to include its kidney disease drug, Sfoza, in Medicare's dialysis payment system, which could impact patient access. This decision will take effect on January 1, 2025.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch us next time for more insights and updates in the business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.